Welcome everybody. Today we've got old Brawn, a Land Rover Defender. I think's what he's supposed to represent. I guess, sort of. Wheels are a little bit chunkier than most Land Rovers, and you can tell he's not one of the original ones because he's got the thermal sticker on the side. I bought him later on, and his thermal sticker has long since played out. But just see if I remember this. I just practiced on it. That halfway, then you pull. This one does feel like it's going to fall apart. I was talking the other day how some of them don't feel, or surprising how some of them feel like they don't fall apart, or not going to fall apart. And then yeah, you lock it up. Likewise, same thing on the other side. Around. I thought she was supposed to pop back in. Okay, yeah. There he is. That's probably one of the worst looking robot forms there is. As far as Transformers go, I think they really, the most basic, the arms, stubby little arms, barely a face, but at least they did do some different colors on him, put a sticker or two in there. Not like the Power Glide from the other day, where it's just a big chunk of red. But there's actually a screw down in there, so that's okay. But anyway, let's see if I can get him back around. Not, like I said, it feels like he's going to fall apart, and he did. Get back in place. Swing the arm back. Don't want this side to come off too. Don't want to break it either. Okay, then you guys down, pop them in the side. Swing the legs back up, and he's back into Range Rover form. I say he's another one of the little guys, but he's one of the more prominent features in the cartoon, from what I recall. So he had a lot of lines. But anyways, that's about all I got for him. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.